Now what we're going to do, we create now fur. Now some of the property we're going to do it here. What are the properties means? Let me remove this material for time being for the ground, just to understand. Okay, on this one we have texture. This is the result what I'm getting. Okay, now here if you select the fur, the properties, if you go down, there is options here. You can see maps. There are different type of map you can do. For direction you can adjust it. Okay, length you can adjust it, thickness you can adjust it, gravity you can adjust it. So here everywhere you can apply one map. Okay, you know what is easily to understand first? You know what is length, right? Length increase and decrease. Inside, if I click here, I go to bitmap and I have some images here. I have written in white color and black color. Okay, black color text, white color background. You can see something I've written black color background and white color background. You see what's the difference happen. I do this one now. Everywhere is white and the text is black. If I do this one here, that area will cut. When I render, wherever the written the Vray, exactly that area, you cannot find any fur. That area will be clear. On the ground, with the football match and all happen, you see the people write text and all right, text will be there, something like that. For example, this area will not have any fur now. What I did on the length, I'm giving a map. In the map, what I did, everywhere white and one place black. So wherever the black is there will have content, right? Sorry, wherever the white is there will be fur. Wherever the black is there will not have any fur. Okay, that's the result we are getting. So the text was black color, so there it automatically removed the text, the fur. Take some time, but you can see the result. Why I remove the background, you can easily understand, you know, the gap. That's why. So I have written in the Photoshop, white color page, white color background, black color text. You can put a logo over there. Understand? You can put a logo instead of text. It comes like this. Hope you can understand. I don't need to wait until the end of the render, right? That area text is removing. The same thing, instead of this, I do opposite one. Everywhere is black. That means everywhere the fur will remove now. Wherever the text is there, that area only will have a fur. So all text comes to that place only. Because I choose what? I choose the black color. Because wherever the white is there, that area text will be there. So now in this one, what map is there? White color text and background is black color. So idea you understood. Any map when you're doing, in that map, wherever the dark white color is there, there will be fur. Wherever the black color is there, there will not be fur. Okay. So 2 images I showed now. Correct. Now instead of this, I have one more map, which is white to black, smooth blending happen. So what will happen? Wherever the white is there, there will be more fur, and when goes to the black, slowly will finish it. Understand? So slowly will finish it. So when I apply, you can see. Can you see here? There is more fur, and when you reach to the other side, it is getting reducing that, slowly trimming out. I will increase this one. You understand now? This way. Why? Because I give a gradient color. One side is white, other side is black. So if I render now, one side only I can see the fur, and slowly it cut out. So how can we modify this fur? Using this map only. This kind of map you can create in Photoshop. You have a carpet. In some place you need more fur, some place you need less fur. Okay. If you don't need fur, you can give black color. But some place you need more, some place you need less. So wherever you need more, there you give white color. Wherever you need less, you do gray color. You see black to white. When it comes, the gray color will be less, right? You see the blending happen. How? This is the white area. This is the black area. I'm going to close. Let me show you. This is the map I have given. This is the map I have given. So white area to black. So slowly we'll blend it. This one, where the black is there is no fur, only the text come in the fur. Similar, white area will have fur and black area, it remove that. Okay. So this map, if you add it, this map you can add everywhere. Okay. This map you can add everywhere. For example, now I'm going to remove this map now from here. Right click, clear, no more map. Okay, map gone. Now this map I'm doing the gravity. So gravity, wherever the gravity, for example, I'm going to do it maybe this one only, 3, this one. So the gravity will be there only wherever the white area. Check the gravity. See, can you see when I'm increasing and decreasing the gravity? Gravity happens only this area. It is not happening here. You understand? This is the bend already done. That's why. Already a bend is there. That's why. So this area gravity is straight, and here when it goes to the other side, slowly, it is getting bent. I mean the gravity happen. So like that, any map if you want, you can apply from here. So that map, wherever you're applying, based on black and white, this is going to happen. Thickness, if you apply, wherever the white area will be there will be more thickness, other area will be less thickness. This is one session, correct? Get back to normal, like what we done before. This was our result, right? And beautiful result you will be getting if you have, for example, landscape, you want to do your curtain, grass or something, you can check with many other properties. Like, let me increase the segments on it. Okay, segments are increased. I think it's too much I have given. Okay, I'll make something else. I'll do one thing. We have a cloth. Okay. Extended primitives. Use a camphor box. I have a plane. I'm doing same settings, no more new settings I'm going to show you, but I'll show you a good result on cloth, how it will come. Effect pivot was on, that's why I switch off that. Let me check how much divisions is having. This is not enough. You know, for the cloth we need more division. Do it this way. Then I'm going to select it. End cloth modifier. Like how we have done before, same way, object properties, select it, cloth. I do this one as a cotton and add object, camphor, add it. Okay, sorry, object property, camphor, for this is a collision object, and then ensure you have choose plain as a cloth, correct. Now we do a simulate or simulate local, whatever is fine. We want to get some wrinkles on the cloth. Now this is okay for us. See, we have something like this. Here we're going to do fur. Okay, convert to editable. If I have done it, save site, convert this one to editable poly. Nothing. I want to show you the result, how it will be beautiful result we're going to get over here. That's all, nothing else. Everything same method only. What we use, the same thing we're going to use again. Go to the same option. We have fur, Vray, and Vray Fur. And length and all you can adjust. But here I'm going to do, this is kind of a cloth. Okay. So the taper, I'm going to do it 1. That means the end, it should be very thin, 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 thin. Okay. Thickness is 0.2. I want to do 0.05 maybe. And the per face is 5. Now I want to do 10 more. First, let me check with a white color. How it look nice or not. Good. The fur, the edge of the fur will be very thin, thin, thin. Why does pink color come? Because of this. This is pink color. I think this is not enough. Can you see? Still I can see inside, right? So I'm going to increase that because it's very high, this thickness. That's why the detail, I mean, how much the per face is 10. I want to do 25. I don't know, it's going to be high or not. Hope it will work fine. You can see still the little bit will be visible because of this bend, but still you can see a beautiful result on the edges. Edges will be very soft. Because it's on the cloth, there is a bend and all happen. Based on that, the fur also will be changing the direction. See the border, smooth result. Now I'm going to apply the image, whatever image you have. Select it. Assign. Assign. This also assign. Okay. And this property, the gravity, I want to increase a little bit, not much. And thickness, length also, you can little bit reduce it. Even you see that render it one by one and check how the result we are getting. We're getting very nice result. So only the changes I have done it. We put this thin. I mean, the thickness, I made it very thin. I mean, the taper, I increased to 1. This is the only changes I have done from the other images. So this kind of cloth or something, you keep it here and there, you can get beautiful result. But I tell you, it's a little heavy. You see how long it take to render. So the video render, it would be difficult a little bit. It depends on your machine capacity. Okay, so this is all about for to check with your maps and all. Okay, how we're doing black and white map.